In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shared family vaults in Amazon Photos. If you want a simple, centralized place where the people you live with can see and contribute photos, this walkthrough will get you there. We'll move from the main Amazon Photos page to the family area where sharing is managed, and I'll point out what each click does so you know exactly why you're doing it and what to expect along the way. First, head to the Amazon Photos website in your browser. This is your starting point for organizing and sharing pictures and videos in the cloud. If you're prompted, sign into the Amazon account that you use for your photos. It helps to double check you're on the right account before moving on, especially if your household uses more than one. Once you're in, give the page a second to load your library and navigation options. Next, click on Family Plan. You'll usually find this option in the main navigation or in a promotional banner. Selecting Family Plan brings you to the area dedicated to household sharing. Think of this as the doorway to the shared vault experience. It's where you set up who's included, how they join, and where those shared items will live so everyone can enjoy them. Now click on Go to Amazon Family. This takes you directly to the Family Management Hub connected to your Amazon account. Here, you can see your household profile, current members, and pending invitations. It's the control center for adding people who will have access to your shared space, and it's also where you'll manage any invites that haven't been accepted yet. From this page, click on the sample family profile you want to invite. Opening a profile lets you review the person's details and confirm you're inviting the right individual. It's a quick way to verify who's on your list before you share access to your photos. If you're organizing multiple invites, this view helps you keep track of who's been sent an invitation and who still needs one. Finally, click on Resend Invite. Use this if someone didn't receive the original invitation or if it expired. Resending generates a fresh link and notification, making it easier for your family member to join without you starting over. After it's resent, let them know to check their inbox and spam folder and remind them to accept from the same email they use with Amazon. Once they accept, they'll be able to access the shared space, and anything you add there will be available for everyone in your household to enjoy.